Subscribe now. Dynamite, dude is the best. Dynamite, dude is the best. Yeah, yeah, Dynamite is the best. Yeah, Dynamite is the best. Yeah, 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 yeah. Dynamite is the best. Dynamite, dude. Dynamite, your space, shipping lanes. Please subscribe to Dynamite Dudes, Blue Gamer Dudes, and please follow Vaniup Studios and play DSS3 right now because it's fun. Dynamite Dude is the best. He can do anything else. He is so very friendly. He has a lot of friends. He has a lot of friends. We can argue that Dynamite Dudes is the better than YouTuber. Dynamite Dudes is the better. Dynamite Dudes is the better YouTuber. He's the best than any YouTuber in DSS3 right now. He's the best than Seniac. He's the best than Seniac. He's the best than Seniac. Yeah, 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 yeah. Red light, stop! Dynamite Dude is coming. Dynamite Dude is coming. Dynamite Dude is coming. Now run. Dynamite Dude. Dynamite Dude is the best. 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 Subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Dynamite Dudes and Blue Gamer Dudes, and thank you so much. Thank you guys.